Introduction to Fastool. Fastite can be made up using 3 different tools depending on the size of the connector, 2 compact portable tools and a bench tool. Fastite's unique design provides a secure leak-tight seal on the tube. The connector makeup can be completed using the Fastool. The tool has built-in hydraulic cylinder, which is actuated by a pump. The tool can be operated by mains-powered, battery-powered, or hand-operated pumps. The tool can either be used in the hand or in a vise. Considering the tubing size, Fastool has 2 versions. For 1/4" and 3/8" connections, Fastool 3A is used, which is a compact portable tool. The weight of Fastool 3A is approximately 12 pounds. The dimensions of the Fastool 3A is shown here for your ready reference. For 1/4", 3/8", 1/2" and 5/8" connections, Fastool 3B is used, which is a compact portable tool. The weight of Fastool 3B is approximately 23 pounds. The dimensions of the Fastool 3B is shown here for your ready reference. Introduction to Bench Tool, also known as Tri-Tool. Bench tool is a tabletop assembly tool ideal for large-size Fastite connectors. The weight of bench tool is approximately 39 pounds. It consists of 3 hydraulic cylinders, which is driven by electric pump. The bench tool is supplied with all the required jaw inserts for assembling all Fastite connectors, including shapes and termination products. The dimensions of the bench tool is shown here for your ready reference.